What's going on, YouTube? OCD for EDC here. I'm joined by my lovely wife, Molly. Say hello.
Hello.
And what we've got for your face balls today is we've got a brand new box. This is from the Spyderco. This is a large box. I don't know what all's in here, but we're about to open it up and take a gander. But first, we got a few things that we'd like to talk about. So, as most of you know at this point in time, the CMEs are available on our website. This one here happens to be on my Maximet Para 3, and it is in shred carbon fiber with glow in the dark. It's pretty sweet. So those are there. This happens to be my wife's purple C-Tech CME on her Para 3 lightweight in S90V. And then, you know, you can find all sorts of lovely things there. Like 3D printed knife stands. Things like that. OCDforedc.com.
So, about that.
Oh, okay. You said you had some website stuff you wanted to talk about.
Yeah, I do. So, guys, know that I am going through changing our website to bring easier credit card payment to all of you.
Yeah, she's over here moving her hands off screen, like
I wasn't
they're on
like
screen.
Meaning to.
She's like Ricky Bobby. I don't know what to do with my hands.
I don't know what to do with my hands. Anyway.
So
I am changing that, and in doing so, the website is down temporarily, but know that it will be coming back. It's just going through some cycles.
Right this minute?
Yes. It's going through some cycles. But
will still be the same web address.
Yes. The connection will still be the same web address. It will now be powered by Shopify. And it will be great.
Okay, so OCDforedc.com is still going to be the website, although we are switching hosting and whatnot. So there's going to, if you go there right now, it may not show up, but it'll be back up shortly. Yes. And there will be better functionality, more things on there. So just bear with us. But yeah, go and check it out. And then if you have any questions, want to email us, you can do so. info@ocdforedc.com. All right?
Boom.
So, like I said, you can do the old 3D printed knife stands, and they come in all sorts of various colors. We also have a few other variations. And then we also have 3D printed mule scales that are not on the website. But, if you guys are interested in some, we have a few different variations with different texture. You can see this one here has got like some hexagon texturing going on. It's all stainless steel hardware. It's got embedded stainless steel nuts on this side. Pretty cool. And we are going to use this for our unboxing knife. This happens to be the Z-Max Mule. So let's get in this box right here and see what we're working with on the latest and greatest Spyderco box. So that's a whole bunch of paperwork in here. So we got those, and we have those, and we have all of those. So let me throw that down.
You scared the dog.
I scared the dog.
Yeah, the little bitchy one.
So we have, let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 items in here. 5 Spydercos. So we have that one. And we have this one. And this one. There we go.
Oh,
5.
Hey, real quick. This just in. Our teen has her learner's permit.
Yeah.
Beware.
So if you're driving around the Iowa, watch out.
No, she's actually going to be really good at driving. I'm nervous, though.
So I'm not even going to look at the stickers, but I did already notice the color of said stickers. So let's just get into it and see what we're working with here. So, boom.
Chicka pow wow.
What we got there? What's the paperwork say? It says, oh, this is the thin blue line.
Ah, yes. Oh, yes.
Here we go. So here is the paperwork for the thin blue line, thin red line. Yeah, so the thin blue line is supporting our police. And you can see here this is a Delica 4 and Seiki City, all that's the same. We've got black FRN with the blue backspacer, as well as the inside of the scales is all blue, which is kind of cool looking.
It's pretty cool.
And then on the blade, it says to serve and protect. VG10, but really cool. And, you know, it's just a cool thing all the way around. Blade is perfectly centered, so that's very cool. All right, let's do...
Policeman's are good.
Yep. So, okay.
And
We'll just set that one right there.
The ones on TikTok
Next
are
up.
funny.
Boom.
Another
All right.
one.
So this is another thin blue line. Now this is, let's see here. This is
The derpy
the
bird.
Rescue. This is the Spyderco Rescue 3. Again, with the to serve and protect on the blade. A little bit bigger overall than the Delica 4. And bang. Look at that.
It's a derpy bird.
Spider Edge. This is, again, VG10. So, really cool. Really comfortable in hand, actually. So, the Rescue blade is pretty badass. That's for sure. Those are just cool ones altogether.
I like the black
And
pocket
then-
clips, too.
Yeah, the black clips look good. So this, again, is the thin blue line. This one here is the Endura 4. It says to serve and protect. And I think, yeah, this is going to be partially serrated. VG10 blade steel. Actually, we'll just open them all. So we've got the Rescue 3, the Endura 4, the Delica 4. And then, what do we got here?
Oh, the fireman's.
This is the thin red line. Yep, okay, so let's, I'll show the paperwork off. One of the blue ones, one of the red ones. Oop. So if you want to check that out, pause right there. You can see what the thin red line is all about, and that is to support the firemen. This, and I'm pretty sure some proceeds. So there you go. On these blades, it says save and serve. Pretty cool, different font. And then, of course, you got the red on the inside of the handle there, as well as the red backspacer. But really, really cool. Spider Edge. Huh, look at that.
I want to go give one to a firefighter and to a police officer. Can I?
Yeah. So here we go, save and serve. So the combo edge again on the Delica 4. So I'm not sure
Okay.
if the if the Endura 4 is gonna come in the red line as well.
Yeah.
But
I was
so you
pretty
can
sure
see
they were in the catalog.
that's what we've got. So we've got the Rescue, the Delica, and the Endura. These three are the blues. These two are the reds. So let's, we'll just move these off to the side here quick. And you guys know the deal. We're going to have to get involved and check out and see how sharp these edges are. We're going to have to see how good Seiki City is dealing with their steels here. So we'll just go in order that we opened them. So first up, I'm going to test the plain edge portion, and then on the Rescue that's fully serrated, or the two Rescues, we'll test one of the serrations there. But all right, so first up, Delica 4 thin blue line. Here we go, here we go. $175. $175 on the thin blue line. Delica 4.
Okay.
Not terrible. Not the best edge, but not bad. Totally adequate there. All right, next up we'll do the Rescue in the thin blue line. I'm just going to go in the big serration right in the middle of the blade. Here we go. Whoa! 65.
Ooh, get it,
6'5".
girl.
Holy cow. That thing, the old Rescue, she is sharp.
She's finna rescue everybody.
That's right. That thing glide through seat belts like nobody's business. All right, now we got the thin blue line in Dura. We'll test, like I said, the plain edge portion. Here we go. $110. 110.
That's not shabby.
No.
At all.
That thing is sharp as well. Yeah, those are good numbers this old girl's putting up here. All right. So when I on the other Rescue, I tested that serration right there, so we'll go ahead and do that again. Here we go. Wow.
Is that 4?
45.
Dang.
45. These freaking Rescues those serrations are crazy sharp. Yeah. Old Spyderco is not messing around with the old Spidey edge or Spider edge there. Those things are legit. Okay. The thin red line, Delica. Here we go. 120.
Okay.
So across the board, these things are really, really good. Mm-hmm. Shorten your tails up there, sister.
Don't tell me what to do.
Yeah. She's burning up all my media. All right, I'm going to test the middle serration here on the Delica just to see if we've got similar kind of performance. But here we go. 40.
Dang.
Those serrations are insane.
You're kidding.
Absolutely insane. They're chisel ground and they are, man. Spyderco is not messing around.
Hey, y'all, Spyderco.
Yeah. Let's do
Way
it.
to be.
Here. We're just gonna run the gamut here. We're gonna test the serrations on the other two combo edges that we have. That one goes there. All right, so I'm gonna go to this one right here. Tear that out. Okay.
I'm gonna tear you out.
Here we go.
Oh.
Holy shit. Ooh, 25. I'm telling you guys, these freaking serrations, Seiki City, the old Seiki City serration maker is not messing around. That thing, those serrations are insanely sharp. Like you should feel just the way it feels.
The way it sounds too.
Yeah, it's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Okay, so now we got the Delica. Let me do this last one here, and then we'll... Alright, so we're going to go center serration one more time. Alright, here we go. $90. 90.
Okay.
That's still,
Yeah.
they're all sub 100, but all except this one is sub 50.
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it is.
Here, you want to try one? Just to feel it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'll do it.
Okay. You want to come over here?
Mm-hmm.
Do this one.
Which one? The one you have in your
the one I
hand?
just set down.
Hey, y'all. Welcome back to my show.
Here. There you go. Just pick one of the big holes. You need to move your arm out right there. You're pretty straight with it.
Whew.
40 again. Isn't that crazy?
It's like nothing.
You can feel it just like and just tick right through it. It's nuts.
That was fun.
Yeah. It's crazy how sharp these serrations are, guys.
Y'all,
So
I am easily amused.
If you're looking for a sharp knife, speaking of, that actually wasn't from a knife. That's just from working.
I was going to say, let me try it on your skin.
Oh, no, it'll cut the shit out of you. Guaranteed. Yeah, these serrations are sharp. No joke. So anyway, guys, hopefully you all enjoyed that. We've got a whole bunch of Spydercos here. And got the new 3D printed scales on the old mule here.
Check out that tail.
Oh, did you get a short one? Oh, there you go. That's the way to do her. Short tails. Short tails.
Bobtails, if you will.
All right. So, for those that didn't hear at the beginning, the website will temporarily be down, but it'll be back up and working. I think it's going to look slightly different, right?
Yeah,
It will look a little bit different, but everything will be there, and the functionality will be better, as well as credit card processing across the board. Pretty much take any type of payment that you have. So, yeah, we're just trying to give better functionality to everyone. So hopefully, is it going to be up tomorrow?
I cannot guarantee that.
Okay.
Just be patient. I'm not making promises.
Okay. All right, guys. Thanks so much. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hit us up with any questions or anything, and we will catch you next time. Peace.
Bye-bye.
We gone.